In this video, we will share how to use the Earth Data Download tool to create RoadRunner scenes with physical coordinates. First, create a new blank scene in RoadRunner. You can customize the name and save location of this scene. Next, drag the orthophoto and DSM downloaded from Earth Data Download into the library of the current project. RoadRunner will automatically recognize and load them, handling the coordinate system data. Let's drag these data into the viewport. After loading, RoadRunner will notify you that it has automatically estimated the center point and built the georeference system based on these orthophoto data. You can switch between orthophoto and projection display modes using the display mode option in the upper right corner. It is recommended to use the orthophoto mode to accurately observe the map construction results. Now let's use the world setting tool to adjust the loading area in the viewport. We can use this tool to adjust or move the boundaries, reducing rendering costs and improving smoothness. After adjusting the work area, click Apply World Changes to complete the modifications. You may have noticed that the clarity of the orthophoto is not as expected. Next, we need to adjust the resolution of this image to meet our requirements. Click on the Aerial Image tool and select any satellite image tile. You will see opacity and meters per pixel in the Properties panel on the right. Change the 30 cm value to 5 cm, then click Generate Material to see the difference. Great! The ground markings are much clearer now, aren't they? Additionally, all tiles are automatically processed according to your settings, so no repeated operations are needed. Hold the Alt key while holding the left mouse button to rotate the scene. You will see the 3D effect after importing the data. Let's continue importing DSM data so that the HDMAP we create will have a three-dimensional effect. Find the corresponding DSM data based on the name of the orthophoto and drag it into the scene. The elevation data will be loaded. Let's rotate the view and use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and see the effect. Of course, you can use the elevation map tool to delete the elevation data of a certain tile area. Let's load the elevation information of the other tiles together to see the effect. Now that we have created a new RoadRunner project for an area with accurate latitude, longitude, and elevation information, we will continue to build the HD map in this project. Let's save our progress at this stage. In the next tutorial video, we will show you how to create your 3D HD map in this project.